Okay guys, this is a quick little follow-up to my last Voyager Pro install video. So after I installed the Voyager Pro with the billet outer mount and everything, I didn't put the buddy antenna on this bike. I do have that on my other bike, and I'm thinking that is the problem with GPS signal. So I guess I kind of jumped past the point that my GPS is working very poorly with this install. And a lot of times we get in areas I get no signal. Sometimes in wide open parking lots getting ready to ride, I can't get it to get any signal. So what I did is I kind of read around and did whatever research I could find. There wasn't a lot of info out there other than the manual does say that if you have the buddy antenna, it does help boost GPS signal. So I'm going to go ahead and get a buddy antenna to add to this and see if that helps. But in the meantime, I went ahead and got a little GPS antenna off Amazon, and here's how I mounted it. It's just this little thing right here, and it screws in here. So it's nice is the GPS antenna is opposite fitting of the buddy antenna. So I got the GPS antenna. It's like $10 off Amazon. I'll put a link on the video, but I put that on there, and our last ride the GPS worked pretty much flawlessly. We did get in some rock, pretty vertical going up, and I think my body was kind of covering it, so it did lose signal for a few minutes going up this big rocky climb. But other than that, I never noticed any issues with it, so that for sure made it way better. So anyway, I'll give you guys a link to that, and then on our website we carry the buddy antennas, so I'll give you a link to that too if you guys are interested in updating your GPS, try to get better signal. So anyway, those are a couple tricks I did to get mine working, and so far so good. All right, bye.